Today we're driving the 2023 Nissan Kicks VL e-Power. This is the key fob right here, a smart key. Push start stop button here to start the car. Nice TFT display right there. I like the interior design of this Nissan Kicks. This is the top of the line variant, guys. So let's go ahead and show you guys the exterior features of this car before we go to the interior features of this car. So let's go ahead and see. This is a two-tone white color and a floating black roof design. This sits on a eco tire with 205/55 R17s, two-toned 17-inch alloy wheels. It has black cladding all over the car. Nice LED daytime running lights with that LED fog lights and LED headlights. Ayos din yung kanyang design dito sa harapan. It has this V-motion design by Nissan. Big Nissan plated right there with that black grille, and it has these chrome accent at the bumper. And this is a crossover compact SUV platform. Let me go ahead and show you guys the side of this car. And at the back, it has the V motion inspired LED tail lights with that integration dito, but as far as I know, walang ilaw to. Nissan Kicks e-Power. You can see the body color diffuser. Going here sa passenger seat, it has plastic cladding here with the soft touch materials right here. I have enough space here sa aking legroom. Nice leather type of material design here at the back. No center rear console, center armrest. I have enough room space or head space right here. I'm 5'7". Let me go ahead and go inside. Looking at the interior feature of this car, it has a classy sporty design. Nice leather type of material here. It's okay, it's not the top quality, but it's a leather type of material. And it has your audio buttons here. You can also control the TFT display right here for your music, fuel consumption, the information, temperature information, the system, driver assistance, customization, vehicle settings, maintenance, and the indication if you are using eco or power. It has an analog speedometer right there. Here it has the cruise control with the voice command. Here it has the infotainment system with an 8-inch Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Automatic climate control, and sa ngayon sobrang init sa labas, but I can feel na malamig dito, no? Very notably dun sa air conditioning ng Nissan. And it has electric parking brakes and auto hold. It has these e-pedal or EV mode. It has drive modes here, selection, sport, eco, and custom. Let's go to economy. And the shift knob right here looks kinda futuristic with that gloss black or piano black finish right here. 2 cup holders here, that is deep. Center armrest, good cushion. It has the right amount of space, not too big. By the way, we have the Nissan Zero Gravity seats with that nice leather feel right here. They have used soft touch materials right here, black plastic right here, and plastic right here. Glove boxes. You can put a tablet right there. I have a manual adjustment for my seating. Automatic windows only for the driver's side. This is a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine. Basically it is a internal combustion with electric motor and a battery pack. So basically china-charge ng makina yung battery, and then ang nagpapagana dito sa sasakyan is yung electric motor alone, and that produces 134 horsepower with 280 Newton meters of torque. So let's go ahead and once again go outside and show you the engine up front. So that will be the motor, and this is the electric motor, and this is the internal combustion. Let me go ahead and check that again. Look at this subcompact crossover. You know, if you are an urban driver looking for efficiency, style, and innovation, this is the right car for you. And you know, since this is a hybrid that has an e-power, the fuel consumption of this car is wonderful. In the city, you can easily get 16 kilometers per liter, and then in the highway you can go up to 22 kilometers per liter. Wow, that instant torque right there. This feels like a proper electric vehicle. I'm on drive or B mode. Basically, if you are on B mode, you're like using the regenerative braking of this car, so it charges the battery, and you can suddenly feel a hard brake when you're on B mode, because when you release the accelerator pedal, it immediately regenerates and malakas yung pag-brake niya. So let's see, right now we're in EV mode. EV mode unavailable because not enough battery. So we have modes here. We're at sport. We can go ahead and leave it to eco. This Nissan Kicks VL, top of the line, has Nissan Intelligent Mobility. It has the intelligent forward collision warning with emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, and also 360 around view monitor. Wow. This is definitely for you if you are still thinking about getting an EV. Nothing to worry because this is a gasoline engine. So definitely tanggal ang range anxiety mo. But at the same time, this definitely feels like a proper EV. The handling of this feels like same as the crossovers out there. The brakes feels powerful, and napaka soft ng kanyang steering wheel. Yeah, when you accelerate the pedal, no, it gives you an instant torque na napaka enjoyable niya. NVH of this car is just okay. It's very quiet inside. You can barely hear engine noise. So far, minimal sound sa kanyang dashboard, but it feels solid naman. When you accelerate this Nissan Kicks VL, it's like a linear forward, no? Instant yung kanyang torque, because also at the same time smooth siya dahil sa CVT siya, no? Special thanks and huge shout out pala kay Matthew Gozun of Gozun Cars for letting me test drive this 2023 Nissan Kicks VL e-Power. By the way guys, you can get this for under 1,198,000 Philippine pesos. And if you use the code AUX10 AUX10, you can get a lot of freebies. and possible discount for this Nissan Kicks. So don't forget to use the code OX10 and mention it to the sales associate. Let's go ahead and do the sport mode. Whoa, you can easily get 0 to 60. Wow, nice experience with this Nissan Kicks. No, it's like it acts like or it feels like a turbocharger, no, na may laging turbo. When you hit that pedal to the metal, wow. This gorgeous Nissan Kicks, or 2023 Nissan Kicks, you can get this at Gozun Cars. Visit them at Facebook or at their website www.gozuncars.com, or in their Facebook account Gozun Cars, or go to San Fernando, Pampanga and visit their shop here. Again, you can get this for under 1,200,000 Philippine pesos, and if you use the OX10 code, you can definitely get some freebies and discounts. Let's go ahead and show you guys again the exterior look of this 2023 Nissan Kicks VL, two-tone, top of the line. This is a nice looking crossover right here. Again, this is for the urban drivers looking for efficiency and innovation. Definitely this subcompact crossover is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our page. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next vlog.